which also is the name of the Veda dehumidifier, and it's my baby. So yeah. So welcome to the Controtech Power Cooling and Monitoring Company. So as you see here, this is called a dehumidifier. We all know it. It's very common, but also rarely bought. So see, this is I'm going to be introducing the best dehumidifier in the world, the Veda dehumidifier. Probably going to be the elegant, the most nicest, beautifulest, and fitting if you're a modern person dehumidifier. So as you can see, there's a calligraphy handwriting of Veda here, which all you know it's my name. Then have a strip of chrome, that silver chrome strip that makes you like you want to see a reflection. You can just see there. Here's the logo, which also is with chrome, and also this is the LCD monitor. Moving up to the top, I know you can't see, but just pretend you can't see. Okay. So this is the power button. Just like laptops have this, also a dehumidifier has this. A high or low. If you press this one time, the speed will go high, but if you press this another time, it will go low. Now this is a comfort. So this comfort is obviously because of the name. It can make your comfort zone. You can feel relaxed, feel fresh. And if you're not in the mood for drying clothes outside because you think it's too slow, it's too boring, and you don't know what to do, you can just use this dehumidifier just to dry your clothes. This will be for another stuff. This is the timer to automatically switch on and switch off the dehumidifier whenever you want. This is the humidity, which, as you can see, it has some percentages, so you can put any of the percentages by just clicking on the button. And as you can see, as we go backside, as you can see, here's the purifier, which purifies the air so you can actually feel safe. And here's the water tank, which, as you can see, I'm not able to open it because I have no muscles. Okay, thank you. So as you can see, this is where the water is collected. Yeah. Okay, see, my helper is helping me out because I don't have any muscles.
So what dehumidifier does?
So the dehumidifier actually does anything that's related in air, or like even it helps in wood. Like, see, my wood is not even like swelling, doing all that stuff. So it helps with people with glasses, especially my mother.
But it's dehumidifier means it's remove the humidity from the air.
Yes, it does. It actually does. That's what it is used for.
Oh, is it? So how is this product?
I think so it's wonderful. I think so it's for this modern people who just loves elegant things and just wants those
And its name is related to you anyhow?
Yes, it's my name. Yeah.
Oh. Okay, thank you.
Bye.